What's good, auto gang? On a mobile service. Lady caught my man slipping and slashed all his tires. Got slashes all over the place. Yeah. I'm out here about to get them right. Slash everything. They slashed the rims, the factories. Only thing she spared them on was the dummy. You know what I'm saying? So she slashed the fucking rim. Got a kid. Oh man, I lied. She got the dummy too. Oh. Damn. Oh, I'm gonna get him right in the tire truck, you know what I'm saying? Getting them right, you hear me? Getting them right. And gang, we all good to go. 4 tires mounted up. 265, 40, 22. We out, baby.